Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling guided access in settings so you can lock Bgmi to one app and block accidental exits. Go to Accessibility, tap Guided Access, and toggle it on, then set a passcode or enable Face ID for quick re-entry. Once done, make sure motion and key options are available so you can control volume and hardware buttons during play. This step restricts multitasking and prevents accidental app switches while you're in a match. With Bgmi open, you activate guided access by triple-clicking the side or home button. You're telling the phone to lock into this app. Next, draw around UI elements you want disabled, minimap, in-lobby buttons, or use the Disable Touch feature to ignore taps in sensitive zones. Then tap Options and selectively disable sleep/wake, volume, or motion so accidental taps or shakes won't interrupt your game. This makes gameplay consistent and prevents accidental exits or unintended inputs. To finish, triple-click the side or home button and authenticate with your passcode or Face ID. That ends guided access and returns you to normal use. If you can't end it, try a force restart to clear a hung guided access session, or use Find My to remotely lock/unlock if needed. If buttons still respond during matches, go back to settings and reconfigure options. Make sure sleep/wake and volume are disabled. This resolves most issues without reinstalling the game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.